We came up with a company motto, protection you can trust from a family that cares. The biggest thing that we wanted to relay was that we were there, regardless of what the situation was, to make sure that their home was protected. We want to be there and be that trusted source that you can rely on.
For me, dealing with other companies and contractors just with home repair, I found that trust, for me personally, is a #1 priority, followed by price. And I think with Peterman, you're getting the best of both worlds.
I got online, I was like, wow, you guys got 5 stars, literally. A lot of good comments about responsiveness, professionalism, the whole 9. Made me feel comfortable. I mean, because it's great if a company says I'm good, but the biggest thing is, do your customers say you are? If they don't, then there's a disconnect. Clearly what you guys stand behind with your word was shown in the work that you did here in my home.
Peterman is a family company, and the people who choose to work for Peterman are also family. It just seems like a really solid company and a place that people would trust.
I always think of family as helping one another. You know, you can always call family and they're there to help, regardless of the situation, good or bad. And we take kind of that same philosophy here in our work. You can call us day or night. Whatever the situation is, we want to truly impact the lives of our customers. We want to make a bad situation good again.
It's all the honesty that they give us and the transparency and the value. It's just added value that they give us here. We're just absolutely thrilled to have Peterman's as our servicing company.
Really down to it, I mean, the total experience from top to bottom through all the different people that you interact with the company and with Peterman. If you haven't tried them yet, you definitely should.